Hey everybody, Dan with Florida Aquatic here, and we are out in Central Florida today setting up a solar aeration system. Behind me is the lake it's going in. We already got one panel set up and hung, and in front of me on the boat is going to be our panel assembly and our box. We're going to go ahead and put this guy together, so come with us while we do it. All right, now that we got the solar panel installed and hung up, all that's left to do is dig out the trench and set the diffusers. Well, we're wrapping up on this solar aeration install. Let's take a look at what we got. Got a Whisper Quiet solar aeration control box. This has the two compressors inside. We take a step back, we have the two solar panels on top. This will run up to 4 heads. This is 1 unit of 2. Behind me as we walk, we have the other unit down there.